I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Pizza Tower co-op mod. First, you'll need to download the most recent version of the co-op mod from a reliable source. Make sure your base Pizza Tower game is fully updated to its latest official release. Once downloaded, simply extract the mod files directly into your game's main installation directory. After placing the files, launch the game to quickly confirm that the mod has been installed correctly and is ready to go. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Connecting with your friends is straightforward. One player will need to act as the host, creating a game lobby for everyone else to join. The host then shares their IP address or uses a direct connection method provided by the mod. Other players can then join by simply entering the host's connection details into their game. It's vital to ensure all players are running the exact same version of the co-op mod to avoid any compatibility issues during your session. This ensures a seamless connection. Once connected, the co-op gameplay offers a unique experience. Player 1 takes control of Peppino, while Player 2 assumes the role of Noise. Both characters share a single, combined health bar and a unified score, encouraging true teamwork. You'll need to work together closely to defeat various enemies and solve environmental puzzles that require both characters. Utilize each character's unique abilities and movement sets for optimal progression through the levels. Cooperation is key to success. To truly master the co-op mod, communication is absolutely essential. Constantly talk with your partner to coordinate movements, attacks, and puzzle solutions. Practice switching between characters to become proficient with their distinct abilities and maximize your combined potential. Don't forget to thoroughly explore every level. There are often hidden secrets and valuable power-ups that can greatly assist your team. Experiment with different strategies to overcome challenging bosses and achieve high scores together. Enjoy the chaos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.